Hello, my name is Riccardo. I'm glad to introduce you our innovative portable indirect oil heater Master BV500. Why innovative? The BV500 is the only heater with a dedicated burner to better manage the airflow and achieve a very high pressure up to 770 Pascal. The heater is able to reach up to 150 kW, which makes it the strongest on the market. Why portable? The heater is very easy to move thanks to a well-balanced construction. It is also equipped with two large pneumatic wheels and handles. You can also easily move it using forklift or hooks for crane hanging. The BV500 is easy to use because you simply put the fuel, plug in, and just turn it on. Cleaning and service are also very easy because you have a comfortable access to the burner, fan, and electronic control box. It's also very easy to clean the combustion chamber through the windows in the front. The great advantage of BV500 is the ductability up to 50 meters. You can also add the digital or mechanic thermostat and exhaust pipe. Master BV500 is the heating solution for different applications. BV500 is the best solution for your business. Join us at www.mcsworld.com.